0.69%.
The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, S.C. Sadhu, informed that there will be 2 counting locations in East Khasi Hills, one in Shillong at Polo for 14 assembly constituencies and the second in Sora for 2 constituencies in Sora Civil Subdivision. The district administration has made elaborate arrangements and has followed all security protocols and the protocol for people who will be allowed inside the counting hall, along with the training for counting staff and micro-observers who will be deployed at each table has been completed. The district administrations have also made an arrangement for smooth traffic so that there should be no inconvenience to the public.
We have 2 counting locations for 14 assembly constituencies here in Shillong, at Polo, and for 2 constituencies in Sohra Civil Subdivision. We have made elaborate arrangements in terms of all security protocols to ensure that law and order is not disturbed in any of the areas in the district, and also smooth traffic arrangements are being arranged so that there should not be any inconvenience to the normal public.